Hey yo, what's up guys, I'm Inina. In today's video we'll be calculating how much King Ginger makes on his YouTube channel. Yo, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and let's get into it. So guys, my eyes are a bit swollen. I definitely did not get punched in the face, and with that I think I'm gonna wear shades, man. I don't feel comfortable. Like, do I look good? Of course. Okay, so guys, King Ginger has been popping up lately, and his channel has been growing like hell. So I'm gonna first go to socialblade.com and get his revenue data from there. As you can see, he has I have my phone right here. I'm not looking at, definitely not looking at the camera, but I'm reading here and extracting the data. You know what I'm saying? That's the benefit of, these are called dimas, right? Shades. You know what I'm saying? I can be looking there while I'm looking here. But anyway, we're going off topic. So guys, here's an estimated monthly earnings over around about 15k dollars. That's around like 300,000 rands. So guys, but that's not important. We're gonna do our own calculations. So according to socialblade.com, per month for the last 3 months, he averages 7.5 million views per month. That's how many views he gets. 7,500,000 views per month. And he has an RPM of 33 rand. So what you're gonna do now is gonna divide that number, then times it by the RPM. So we're gonna divide that 7.5 million views by 1,000, and then times it by the RPM, which is 33 rand, to get 247,500 rands. So that's how much money King Ginger makes on his YouTube channel. It's a huge number, because that guy is mad consistent, uploading every day. You know what I'm saying? So you expect that to get many views, and these videos average around 100k views. Some even get more. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something today. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click on the video on the screen right now, and take care. Peace.